Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show you how I made these embellishments using rubber stamps. I'm fairly new to stamping, so basically this is what I came up with as I played around with the stamps that I have and got creative. It doesn't take too much to get started. You can start with just a few word stamps and a few color ink pads. So here I'll show you what I've done with the stamps that I had. Here's one that says life is beautiful. It's a stamp that I had, and then this other stamp that says happy birthday to you, and a little flag banner that I cut out, and I just added them on here with the little glue dots to raise them up a bit, and just on the pretty cardstock. Let's see, here's another one that says a stamp that said you are my sunshine, and I just used the flower punch that I have and added some little flowers on there and raised the words up a little, add a little pearl. Here's a birthday one that says, it's on yellow cardstock, that says for you. That's a little stamp, and then another stamp that says happy birthday to you. And then the balloons I did in a stamp that I had, so I did it kind of two-tone blue and green balloons there. And let's see, a simple one, just a round scallop circle, stamp the word wish on there, and then a little rhinestone. Another little one here, just a little small one that says happy birthday to you, and a green flag banner that I stamped and cut out, and I just put that on with the glue dots again to raise it up, give it a nice look. And simple ones you can do with just a little message that says just for you and hello on there. So that's just some ideas, things that I played around with the stamps that I had. So yeah, if these would all be great to use on birthday cards or other cards that you're making, or turn them into gift tags. So I encourage you, if stamping is something you've been wanting to do, you should go ahead and give it a try. So I'll go ahead and create a couple to show you the process. Thanks for watching.